Hello friends, welcome to Pristine channel. Guys, today topic is file handling in PHP. Friends, today we will discuss file handling in PHP. In my part 1 video, I will explain you what is PHP file handling and functions of file handling. First is fopen, second is fwrite, third is fread. And in part video 2, I explained you what are append function and unlink function, fclose function. Now friends, let's start with part 1 video. Friends, in my previous video, I explained math functions better. If you want to learn this, you can find that video on our channel. Our previous blog's link is mentioned in the description below. Blog link is also in the description. Guys, I very frequently upload videos on various technologies. I also create videos considering the interview questions in mind. If you have any particular topic on which you want me to create detailed videos, let me know in the comment section below. So friends, subscribe the channel and press the little bell icon. Now friends, let's start with what is PHP file handling. PHP gives us a feature of file handling system. This feature is a super useful because it allows you to create files, reading files line by line, reading files character by character, writing files, appending file, deleting files and closing file. This concept will explain following functions: open a file, reading a file, writing a file, closing a file. And friends, in these functions we have modes like R, W, A, R plus, W plus. Now what's the meaning of this? R for reading, W for writing a file, and A stands for appending a file. And R plus, it's for reading and writing both. And W plus is for writing reading and creating a file. These are our modes. Now friends, let's start with first function, fopen. If simply we want to open a file or any URL, then we follow fopen function. If the file is already created, then it will simply open it. But in case the file is not already created, then it will create a file and open it. The PHP fopen function accepts two arguments, that are file name and mode. And the syntax of fopen function is resource equals to fopen, it's a name of function, file name and mode. Now let's start with example. Resource is a dollar, file, it's a variable, f open function name, file name, suppose here I'm creating a file, new underscore file dot txt, and the mode is write mode. Save it. Now refresh it and refresh this again. See, her file is created. New underscore file dot txt file is created. Now open this file. This file has no content right now. This is a fopen function. If the file is already created, then it will open a file. But in case if file is not created, then it will create a file for you. Now next function is fwrite. If you want to write the content of a strings into files, then PHP offers fwrite function in the concept of file handling. By the help of PHP, fwrite and fputs functions are used to write data into the file. For write the data into file, you can use r plus, w, w plus, x, x plus, c or c plus mode. And the syntax of this fwrite function is int fwrite equals to semicolon and dollar resource and string. Now let's start with the example. File, for using fwrite function, we need to first use fopen function. If we will use fopen function, if we will open a file, after open a file, we can write a file. We can make a changes in a file. Here we are using string. Let's suppose I'm writing hello world. Save it. First of all, I have to refresh my first file, then refresh. Next, see hello world. So friends, this is a fWrite function. Next function we have a fRead function. In PHP file handling concept, fRead function provides a facilities of various types of functions to read all data from the file, reading line by line and also character by character. It accepts two arguments, data resource and file size. Now let's see the syntax of this function. String fRead resource $file int $length. Now $file is that created by fopen function. It's a file pointer, and $length, it's a bytes length to be read. Let's start with example. First of all, we need to open a file by fopen function. While using fRead function, we have to declare our fopen function in a write mode. fRead file size here I'm giving a file name. File name is new.txt. Save it. Refresh first file, then refresh next file. See, the output is hello world. This is a fRead function. We can read the content of our file. Now friends, I will explain you in part 2 video append function, unlink function and fclose function. Friends, I hope you will like this tutorial. Let me know if you have any follow-up question in your mind. We will coming soon with our next exciting parts. If you friends liked our tutorial, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the little bell icon. Thank you. Happy learning.